A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, I am once again back with another very easy concept which is related to the chapter place value. So, I really hope that you all are enjoying watching modules, and you must be going through the concepts and revising it on daily basis. So, today we are going to talk about the ascending and descending order. Right. So as you can see, two pictures are there, okay, and from both these pictures it is clear that the first picture is depicting and telling us about the ascending order. Why so? Because here we are arranging the number, okay, from smallest to the largest, whereas when we are making the descending order, so we always arrange the numbers, okay, from largest to the smallest, right? So if we basically see and look at the ascending order, so it is as same as increasing order, okay, as you can see the value of the numbers as are increasing here, okay, where the numbers are arranged from the smallest value to the greatest value. And when we specifically talk about the descending order, so it is absolutely clear that the descending order is as same as decreasing order. Here you can see that the value of the numbers are decreasing, okay, where the numbers are arranged from greatest value to the smallest value, right? So all we have to remember is that whenever we arrange the numbers, okay, from the smallest to the largest, so that kind of order of numbers is called ascending order or increasing order, okay. And whenever we arrange the numbers from largest to the smallest, so that kind of order is known as descending or decreasing order. So let us revise once again that the ascending order is as same as the increasing order, okay, where the numbers are arranged from the smallest value to the greatest value, while descending order is as same as decreasing order, where numbers are arranged from greatest value to the smallest value. So I really hope that the concept of ascending and descending order is absolutely clear to all of you. So now dear students, so far we have discussed about the ascending and the descending order, and now I am going to take few examples and I will make you clear that how you can arrange the numbers in ascending and in descending order, right? So the first question which I have taken for you is that there are 5 numbers which are neither in ascending order nor in descending order. Now what we are supposed to do here, we are supposed to arrange them in ascending order. So how we will do that? First of all, right, we need to find the number which is the smallest one among these numbers, because we always, okay, write or make the order in ascending or in increasing order, right? So that is why we need the number which is the smallest. So which number is the smallest over here? It is 23,060, okay. Afterwards we will put the sign, okay, like this, right? We are going to put the sign of smaller than and greater than like this. That means the next number which will be here is going to be the greater number, okay, as compared to the first number. So the next number which is greater than 23,060 is 23,131, and then we have 23,213, then we have 24,785, and last but not the least, greatest among all these numbers is 24,875. So this is how we have arranged, okay, the numbers in ascending order. Now let us talk about the descending order. See here I have taken 4 numbers, okay, they are neither in ascending nor in descending order. What we are supposed to do is we are supposed to arrange them in descending order, right? So first of all we need to find out that which is the greatest number among these numbers. So the greatest number is 9,50,000, Okay, 9,50,000 is the greatest number, and then we will put the sign like this. Okay, that means now the next number which we will be writing over here is going to be the smaller number as compared to 9,50,000. So now which number is smaller than 9,50,000 among these numbers? It is 30,000. Now we will see a number which is smaller than 30,000 is 9,956. Okay, and then the smallest number among all these numbers is 8,256. So this is how we have arranged the numbers in ascending and in descending order. So I really hope that the concept and the examples are absolutely clear to all of you. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve, okay, the questions which are related to ascending and descending order. So in the next module we will be meeting and we are going to talk about the building numbers. So till then, take very good care of yours, and Jai Hind.